How to list on Craigslist for beginners. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can list on Craigslist for beginners. So just make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to list on Craigslist for beginners, all we have to do is simply go ahead and launch the Craigslist application here. Once you launch the Craigslist app, you're going to see this type of interface where you can just tap this little plus button as you can find them here. Once you tap the plus icon that you can find it over here, just tap on create posting option. Once you just select this option called create posting, you're going to see this type of interface. Then you just want to make sure to upload the images of your product if you'd like, or you can choose to skip this and then upload it later. Then after you've done that, you can just select the location where you're selling the product from, and then you can just select what type of posting is this, whether it is a job, a house, a real estate, a gig, an event, or a class, whatever it is that you want to actually go ahead and do it. You can just select that. Now you can just select your posting title, which means you can give the title of the product you're selling, as well as also the price, the city, the neighborhood, and the description as well. And last but not the least, you can enter the size and dimensions, the conditions, and then you can allow their emails, replies, phone number, or whatever else you prefer. In this case, hit the continue button or the continue button from the top and your ad will get successfully posted. This way you can list on Craigslist as a beginner. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.